Hello everyone and welcome back at a brand new video of Tuning Dutchy. Now before I'm going into anything of this video, huge shout out, huge thanks, huge appreciations that makes this video possible is Soto. Link is down in the description, guys. Please visit his channel. If you have a 368 car, so a Cadillac Seville Elegante or anything that has a 368 engine with its intake, carburetor or anything that has to do something with that, please visit his channel, subscribe to his channel. He makes the Cadillac's future much more brighter, not just simply brighter. I'm gonna unpack something, guys, that's everyone's gonna love. Anyways, this man is so super. I'm actually almost speechless. So visit this channel, subscribe. He makes this video possible by unpacking something very soon. You guys definitely gonna like. Again, from my side, Trey, if you're watching this video, thanks for sending it over, because yes, we are going to from TBI to carburetor, guys. If you are very unfamiliar with TBI and carburetors and TBIs are both, of course, some kind of throttle bodies that have air going into the engine and fuel. Without one of those, the engine is not running anyway. I mean, you need spark, but that's not going to into the carburetor. TBI units with just throttle body injection are sometimes, well, fuel injectors hanging above it or simply in the intake manifold. Now, throttle body injections on those older cars like the Cadillac Seville I have static values on the ECU, which means if you want to put a supercharger on the engine and air is entering the engine, there's not changing anything, you won't get any more horsepowers. It's static. Now, Soto has mentioned to do it a bit different. So he sent something over. I'm not gonna explain something yet. I know what it is. He also said to me, but I want to, of course, show you guys. So watch further on in this video, guys, and you will see what he has sent us over. Now, anyways, I'm gonna take the package and let's pack it out, shall we? All right, so there we are again. I would say this is the package that I have in front of me. It's kinda huge. Doesn't matter. The real people under us who already maybe know what's inside here, but hey, let's surprise anyone. So we're gonna see what's inside here. So yeah, in the meantime to say, I also checked out the remaining leakages of the car, and it seems like we have also oil leakages by the oil pan gasket. So, I mean, there's another person, another YouTuber that said to me, hey, I think you've got an oil pan gasket leakage. Well, hey, if I'm gonna see how that is built, at least the oil pan gaskets, hey, it's not the best thing. And it seems like my coffee is spilling all over the place, but hey, whatever. That's something we can dry up later. As long this is actually unpacked. So now, my goodness. Now, and one thing is sure, Ray, if you're watching this, man, you have packed it very, very good. Very good. So, oh my god. Alright. Oh god, jeez. Yeah, that's good. That's very good. Actually, much better than I am actually used to, if we speak about companies. So, hey, that's very good. Alright, let's go. Come loose. Alright, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys up when I'm done here, okay? See you guys soon. Alright, now we are much further now. I'm 5 minutes later, and still we're unpacking. But it seems already very good. It's already looking very good. Ah, oh my god. Let's see. Another package. A package in a package. How do you like that? And I placed my cup of coffee already to a different kind of side. Yes, guys, that's not pretty heavy. Right. So that's something going outside. There you go. If you guys looking at this package, could you guys think what's inside here? No? Good. Then we might continue. Let's go. That's 1. And that's 4. If that's 2. I mean, now the second one. Alright. Oh. And the last. There we go. Oh, there's something on the side here. Oh man, it's that nice, eh? Oh yeah, well. Jesus. Now one thing is sure, Ray. You definitely know how to pack stuff. Very nice. That's something I love anyways. I do it actually the same way. But not everyone does. So huge compliment over there. Alright, are you ready guys? Woohoo! I can see some, yeah, you guys can see it as well. Alright, let's take it out. Ready to reveal it. There we go. And there it is. The rare aluminum intake. Yes guys, it's rare. Now, that's it guys. Without this part, it's almost impossible to do it. Now I'm gonna explain you guys how and what. For the people that think, oh, rare, bro, it's just an intake. Nah, it's not really that. I'm gonna explain you guys. Anyways guys, I mean Ray, things are ready. You're great man. I mean, we don't have to be difficult to talk about that, right? Let's show it and watch it from a little bit near. All right. So if you guys don't know what this is a rare aluminum 368 intake manifold, as you guys can see, for a 4-barrel. Now, aluminum and 4-barrel, that makes it rare. Why does it make rare? I mean, 1980 and aluminum. I mean, that's a bit different. Now, those holes are much thicker as on mine as possible. But yeah, as you guys can see, the blue color is still on there, which I love. And hey, you guys don't forget, guys, the front wheel drive Cadillac Seville Elegantes. Well, they don't have those 4 holes. Now you can have the cast iron 4-barrel. Yeah, that's well, uncommon, but aluminum is not sounding like that. And aluminum is sounding like that. Cast iron is not, I mean. And aluminum, and then also 4-barrel, yeah, that's very rare. So yeah, guys, you can already imagine if you put this one on eBay, it's already sold and within one day. But this one is going on the Cadillac. Yeah, I mean, that's very nice. Now, there are people that actually saying, hey, you know what you should do? You should actually port this out and hey, getting rid of it to get a little bit more horsepower. Ray, if you are hearing this, tell me what do you wanna see, friend? If you want me to cut this out, let me know. If not, then leave it be. It seems like on the aluminiums they had a well, as you guys can see, an EGR on it as well, and there you got the holder for the air conditioning unit. But hey, there it is. So at least I'm gonna turn this around and let's see what we can see on the other side. Now, it should be a single plane, but I am not sure, but we will see. Yes, it is, definitely. It's very low, so that's good. That's very good. It's very good, very good. So, as you guys can see, this is the downside, and there's a small difference if we speak about the 368 and the 425. Now, as said, this is a 368, which is very, very rare if we speak of 4-barrel and aluminum. So the 368 of course have those rectangles, and the 425 are slightly bigger. Now, as you guys can see here, we can also still make it a little bit bigger, support them out if we really want to. Now, that's actually that, but if you guys can see, now this part over here, if you guys are asking, hey, I mean cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, but hey, what's that? This actually was meant for the heat riser. Now, heat risers are meant for heating up the complete air intake of intake manifold, as you guys can see. And yeah. Now, aluminum intake manifolds are actually very critical to crack. So if you guys have something like this, not cast iron, but really like this, the aluminiums, be careful. They can crack very, very quickly. So if you let this one fall already on there, you have a high chance that it's gonna break. So be careful. But hey guys, that's actually our part. So you guys don't know how happy I am, because this is not something that was on the Cadillac. On the Cadillac, as said, we did not have those 4 holes in the center. The big holes are for the secondaries, I guess, and the small ones are for the primaries. Primaries is actually what's going to be used if you're just normally driving, and secondaries are going to be used when you push full throttle, if I'm correct. Depends on several situations, but it's actually looking very good. Now also I see options here that you can make also much more horsepower out of it. There are actually modifications possible. Now I mean, if you're still watching, Ray, I mean, just correct me if I'm wrong, of course, but hey. So as you guys can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 barrel, and well, hey, down here, this is a very small corner. So if you are actually gonna port this out over here, which people say just make this actually going away, then you actually gain horsepower as well. Now, because this is aluminium and because this is a gift we all got, then this is definitely something I gonna leave it be, or the person, at least this case Ray, should say, hey, do that, then I'm definitely gonna do it. The only thing that I'm still thinking of is maybe repainting everything. Not quite sure, we have to see that. But yeah, well, we at least got a 4-barrel intake manifold right now, guys. So that's very, very good. I'm very happy with it. Oh yeah, so that means the future for the Cadillac has been opened. Now, why is the future for the Cadillac opened? It's very simple, guys. Now, as said, the TBI unit has a 2-barrel. Now, if you have front-wheel drive. If you have rear-wheel drive, then you probably have a 4-barrel. If it's aluminum, not sure yet. But yeah, I mean, as I already said, I mean, I'm very, very, very happy with this. Really, I mean, definitely things are gonna open up. So again, Ray, thanks a lot for this huge, yeah, huge intake manifold. I love it. It's really looking good, just like I expected to. And thanks for your support on the channel. I definitely like it. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be, of course, more parts, guys. So don't worry much about it. I mean, this is a reveal. Soon we have other things to get. I mean, the other TBI unit has to get off the car. The manifold has to get off. This one has to get on, and of course, the carburetor has to get on as well on that intake, which is laying over there on the table. Yeah, well, I do know that Ray said, "Hey, I'm looking forward to the video," so I'm hoping you like this one. I definitely do. I definitely like this one. I mean, you definitely can see the smile on my face. Sometimes I'm stuttering a bit with my words, but that's just out of excitement. I like that. Yeah, I don't know. Sure, it can be a 2-part, can be a 3-part, maybe 4 parts of the video, but that's not a big deal. It's just something we are going to take. The only thing to make this happen, to make this work, and to install it is to get a carburetor. Now, guys, anyways, I would say thanks for watching. Ray Soto, thanks for sending this part over. I hope I can go into this very quickly, very soon, and installing it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, make sure you guys like the video, and hey, if you want to say something about it, say it in the comment section. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel of Ray Soto itself, because this man made this all possible. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and see you guys the next time. See you then.